Hi children, how are you? So today let us study Unit 7 Prose, Kali and the Rat Snake. So see here, listening activity. Here the poem is given and we have to see the different animals and their sounds. If I met a crow, I should say ka ka. See, this is the sound of the crow. If I met a lamb, I should say ba ba. If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. If I met a dove, I should say boo coo. If I met a dog, I should say bow bow. If I met a cat, I should say meow. If I met a crocodile, what should I say? You know what the crocodile sounds here? Why, nothing at all. See, crocodile? It doesn't sound. I should say, what we should do? We should run away. So, let us start the lesson here. The Kali and the rat snake. See, who is Kali? He is the student of class 3rd. Let us see here. Kali walked slowly along the forest path on his way to school. See, while going to the school, he has to pass through the forest there. He wished it was a Sunday. He wanted to go with his father to the forest and look for different kinds of snakes. See, his father was snake charmer. Kali's father was snake charmer. See, his father was a famous snake charmer of the Irula tribe. See, Kali belongs to the Irula tribe and his father was snake charmer. So Kali here, what he wished that it was Sunday. It should be a Sunday there. Then he wanted to, why? Because he wanted to go with his father to look the different kinds of snakes. Kali had joined school 2 months ago. Only 2 months ago he had joined the school. Before that he was roaming around in the jungle. See, just he was roaming around in the jungle. Free to do whatever he wanted. He was very free to do whatever he wanted. Just 2 months ago he joined the school there. Now he felt lonely at school. Why he felt lonely at school? Because he did not have a single friend. See, Kali had no friend, so he felt lonely there. In fact, when he introduced himself to his classmates on the first day of the school, see, when he introduced himself to the classmates for the first day, no one became his friend. No one was his friend there. Everyone laughed at him. For the first time in his life, Kali did not feel proud of being an Irula. See, he was always being to be proud that feel proud that he is from the Irula tribe, that those people who catch the snakes there, different kinds of snakes. But for the first time when the students laughed at him, he did not feel proud about his tribe. He wished he could leave school. See what he wished, that he could leave school. But the teacher was very kind. She praised Kali for any little work and did at school. See, any work he used to do at school, little work, the teacher used to praise him, so he did not leave the school. One day during an English class, there was a big commotion, there was a noise there. One child was pointing a trembling finger. See, one child he was pointing as a trembling, shiveringly, he was pointing at the roof, saying, snake. Kali looked up and saw a snake. Kali on a roof there was a snake there. So Kali looked at snake and just he saw the snake there. He understood that it was a rat snake and was harmless. See, after just seeing the snake, he understood that it was a rat snake and it is harmless. It doesn't bite anyone. He also remembered his father's words. That rat snakes come mistaking the smell of humans to be that of rats. See why the rat snakes comes? Just if they get the smell of the humans, they think the rat snake thinks that could be a snake. sorry, that could be a rats. Suddenly, see, this is a rat snake. Suddenly the snake fell down in the middle of the room. Everyone was very scared. See, suddenly it fell in the middle of the room. Everyone was scared, means everyone was worried there. There were screams from all the children. There were a scream. They all started screaming there and running. But Kali did not show any fear. He quickly grabbed the snake with his hand behind the snake's head. See, he was from the Irula tribe and he knows how to catch a snake there. So suddenly, quickly, he grabbed the snake from behind the snake's head there. A loud cheer broke out. See, a loud cheer broke out. Everyone started chanting Kali, Kali, Kali. Means everyone was cheering him. Kali, Kali. Looked up with surprise. All children started dragging Kali by the hand, saying, Kali, you are brave, you are brave. You must sit next to me. Means everyone was surprised, astonished by the Kali's braveness. So each and every student wanted to be his friend now. Kali had a big grin on his face. Means he felt very happy. There was just a smile on his face there. So after school, he went home and told everyone. See, everyone he told about what has happened in the school there. His parents and the brothers about the snake and how he had caught it. His family was proud of his fearlessness. They felt happy. See, his family, after hearing that what has happened in the school, the family was proud of himself because he was very fearless and he caught the snake there. And they felt happy that Kali come back home in a cheerful mood. See, the parents were happy because today Kali had spent his day in a school very happily. So they were happy. The next day Kali woke up much earlier than usual and got ready to go to school to meet all his new friends. See, here he got somewhat affection from his friends, and everyone wanted to be a friend there. So he was happy to go next day to the school very soon. So he got up early and got ready and he went to school to meet his new friends. Tribe, you know children, Irula means, tribe means a group of people living together, sharing the same language, customs and religions. Trembling, shaking, grin, broad smile, commotion, noise, confusion. See, I hope children you understood the lesson here. So we shouldn't discourage, or we shouldn't demean anyone that they are from this tribe and they are from this caste. We shouldn't do that. So we have in a school, we should think that everyone is equal. All are my friends. I hope you understood this lesson.